In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for social media planning. First, you'll need to navigate to the Trello website. Trello is a versatile project management tool that can help you seamlessly organize your social media content and workflow. Once you're there, you'll reach the login screen. You may choose the method that suits you best. Whether you'd like to log in using your email, or perhaps if you're already connected via a Google or a Microsoft account, selecting the right option is as easy as a click. Next, it's time to create your board. Think of this board as a digital dashboard where all your social media planning will take place. You can name it something like Social Media Calendar to keep things organized and focused. This board is like your command center, and you're in charge of setting it up in a way that's useful and effective for your needs. Once your board's ready, it's time to create lists. Lists will represent the different stages of your social media workflow. A typical setup may include lists such as backlog, where you store initial ideas and content that need future planning. Then there's to-do, a list of content that's all set to be created. You'll want an in-progress list as well, for content that's actively being worked on. For review can serve as a crucial checkpoint for content that needs a pair of eyes other than yours before going live. As you get closer to launch dates, scheduled lets you keep track of what's lined up for publication, and published is for content that's already live. Finally, your done list will host everything that's been completed and archived, providing a comprehensive record of past work. Now let's bring in the calendar view by adding the calendar power-up to your board. This allows you to visualize your content schedule, making it much easier to spot any gaps or overlaps in your planning. Simply click on the power-up section, select Calendar, and you'll instantly unlock a visual representation of your timeline. To streamline your operations further, leverage Trello's power-ups or integrations with powerful social media tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Zapier. These can automate your scheduling and publishing tasks, allowing you to focus more on creating engaging content and less on logistics. As you develop your content calendar, don't forget to make use of Trello's custom fields and reporting features. Track important metrics, such as engagement, reach, and website traffic to see how your content is performing. This will give you the insights necessary to make informed, data-driven decisions moving forward, helping you continually refine and improve your social media presence. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use Trello for all your social media planning needs. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for a more organized, strategic, and successful social media strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!